Jai Guru. Today we shall read Monkey's Paw, Terror Story, Invitation to English 2, first plus 2 second year. We had just stopped yesterday because it is a horror story. Horror sound are coming. Sergeant Herbert are coming. He was throwing the monkey's paw into the fire, but Herbert took it out. So then what happened we will read now. It was looks like an ordinary paw. And then Sergeant Morris told that. Next part he is telling. He asked Herbert, कहले को तुम किसी विश करो, मिस्टर व्हाइट को पचाले किसी विश करो. Herbert, well, Morris is quite a storyteller. For a minute there he almost had me believing that one about the monkey's paw. से गोटे storyteller. से जहाँ कहले monkey's paw विषय में मुझे भाई संपूर्ण सत. You give the disgusting thing back to him. फेर दो किसरा monkey's paw. I tried to, but he would not take it, and he told me again to get rid of it. मुझे कहले छाड़ दियो. In mock horror, Herbert, get rid of it and give up our chances to be rich and famous and happy. Herbert कहला हमें चांस आसी गोटे रिच हाँ हैप्पी हाँ यहाँ गोटे जादू आलादीन कहानी भाया जो आम भाई आसोटे मंकीज पूरा से विश फुलफिल कर भेरे दवा विश टू बी एन एम्परर डैड टू स्टार्ट अप विथ देन मम कैन बस यू अराउंड गोटे सम्राट हाँपाई एम्परर हाँपाई महाराज हाँपाई विश कर. मिसेस व्हाइट थैंक्स ए लॉट. थैंक्स कला. मिस्टर व्हाइट टेकिंग द paw from his pocket and looking at it doubtfully. मिस्टर व्हाइट पॉकेट को काल नेले मंकीज पाटा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू विश फॉर दैट इज फैक्ट. कौन इच्छा विश करी से मुझे जानी. Looking fondly at his white and son, it seems to me I have got all I want already. ता स्त्री अब पिला देखिए कहले मैं सब पाई जाइए. Would like to pay off the mortgage, though wouldn't you? Well, wish for 200 pounds, then that will do it. Well, ताहे 200 pounds में कुमागा तो mortgage कर जो This is ridiculous. No harm trying, though. Make हम पहले. Suppose he holds up the paw. Herbert taps a drum roll on the table with his hands. I wish for 200 pounds. Mr. White कहले से धोएगी. Herbert finishes with a dramatic flourish. Mr. White cries out, suddenly, and drops the paw. His wife son runs toward him. Suddenly, से हाथों खस पड़ा लगा monkey पाटा. It moved when I wished. It twisted my hand like a snake. कहले का साप वाला फलीला monkey पाटा. Well, I don't see the monkey and bet never will. Picks up the paw and puts it on the table. Herbert कहला मांकड़ो देखिनी केवे देखिबिनी. Mrs. White, you must have imagined it. Mr. White कहले मैं भाभी थी कल्पना करती हूँ. I felt it move. Never mind, though I am all right. ठीक अच्छी भाभी. They sit down by the fire. Depressing silence settles over them. The howling of the wind grows louder. A door bangs, starting them all. Herbert laughs. Quite dhak dhak sound hala. I don't know why he listened to that nonsense. How could wishes be granted in real life? Mrs. White कहले केमती फुल आशा सब इच्छा आलादीन जिन भाया फुलफिल कर इच्छा रियल लाइफ तो हुए स्टोरी हुए. एंड इफ दे कुड हाउ कुड 200 pounds हर्ट यू एनीवे. जदि हम ताले 200 pounds आपको कौन हर्ट करियो. इट कुड ड्रॉप ऑन हिज हेड फ्रॉम द स्काई. और कहले आकाश पड़ी जाए 200 pounds. मिस्टर व्हाइट मोरिस सेड थिंग्स हैपन सो नेचुरली यू माइट थिंक इट वाज अ कोइंसिडेंस. जिनस एमती हितला तमे गोटे कोइंसिडेंस हिच. वेल गुड. हैव एनफ ऑफ मैजिक एंड फेट मंकीज फॉर वन नाइट. आज मैं ठीक है सोइबा जुबा. Good night. You will probably find the money tied up in a big bag in the middle of your bed. ऐसे भाई होची 200 pound आसी बांधी थ्वाइज. Dad and some horrible creature squatting up on top of the dresser, watching you as you pocket your ill-gotten gains. तमे जो खराब ये बारे बाहर कर चलाबो ता ऊपर गोटे क्रीचरटे आसुथो जंतुटे. Next afternoon, sun shines on living room. Mr. and Mrs. White are drinking tea and sorting through the day's mail. So mail check करछन माने मिस्टर. The paw lines on a shelf ignored. से पढ़ा पड़ता गोटे ड्रॉ. Plenty of bills so far, but no check for 200 pounds. Mrs. White कहले बहुत बिल आसी पेमेंट आसी किंतु 200 pound किछ आसीनी. I suppose Herbert will have more of his funny remarks for you when he gets home from the factory. Herbert factory फेरियो तुमको और funny remark करियो 200 pound. I am sure he will, but the things moved my hand. I swear to that. जिनसा फलीला म हातरे मु शेयर करछि प्रतिज्ञा करछि. ये you thought it did. It did. There was no thought about it. I had just what it is. प्रकृति का हाल दिसला. Mrs. White is looking past him out of, because there is somebody outside, a man in the business suit. I have never seen him before. Because one look aschi kiye business, he is acting very strange, as if he can decide whether to open the door or not. He looked aschu kबाट खोल्यो कि नहीं खुशी. There is a knock at the door. Mrs. White goes to the stranger. Stranger stands silently for a moment. Stranger ଆସିଛି ଲୋକଟେ, ସେ uncomfortable feel କରୁଛି. I was asked to come to see you. I come from Moy and Meggins. ମୁଁ Moy and Meggins ଆସିଛି. Is anything wrong? Has something happened to Herbert? What is it? ମୋ ପୁଅ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି Herbert? Herbert କାମ କରୁଥିଲା. Now, calm down. No point jumping to conclusion. Mr. White ହଠାତ୍ conclusion ହେବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Looking hopefully at the stranger. I am sure visitor hasn't brought us any bad news. I am sorry. This bad news badly. Badly hurt. He is not in any pain. Oh, thank goodness for that. Thank. এটা ବହୁତ ଇଞ୍ଜୋର୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ସେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ସଡନ୍ଲି ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଷ୍ଟେୟାର୍ସ ଆଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର. ହରରେ ସେ ଡରିକି ଚାହିଁଲେ ଅନେଇଲା. ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର ଲୁକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦି ଫ୍ଲୋର. ଦେୟାର ଇଜ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ପଜ୍. ଚୁପଚାପ ରହିଲା, ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ. ଇନ୍ ଲୋ ଭଏସ୍. ହି ୱାଜ୍ କଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମେସିନାରୀ. ସେ ମେସିନାରୀ କଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ମାନେ ମେସିନାରୀ ଭିତରେ ପଡ଼ିକିରି ମରିଯାଇଛି. କଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମେସିନାରୀ. ସ୍କୁଇଜ୍ ୱାଇଫ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ. ଦେନ୍ ଟର୍ନ୍ସ ଟୁ ଦ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର. ହି ୱାଜ୍ ଆୱାର ଓନ୍ଲି ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ୟୁ ନୋ. ସେ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ମାତ୍ର ପୁଅ ଥିଲା, ପୁଅ. Clearing his throat. The company wants me to convey the sincere sympathy with you. Great